All right, let's see here. We got Chantel out there.
Good morning.
Good morning. Uh, court will resume with the November 9th, 2022 docket. And we're YouTube live stream. And let me see which lawyers we can get in first. We have Samantha Cavazos, and that'll be number 4, right? With Mr. Carlos Garcia.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Carlos Garcia. Let me see if he's going to come in.
Good morning.
Mr. Garcia, can you hear me? All right, now Mr. Garcia needs to unmute.
Good morning,
there
Judge.
he is. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good
sir.
morning. Good morning, sir. We're here on the November 9th, 2022 docket, and your client is Samantha Cavazos, CR 2109852D. This is a status hearing?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good
We're here on
morning.
behalf of Ms. Cavazos, Your Honor, and respectfully ask the court to take notice of the time that she's been on the PTD.
Okay, good. Ms. Ramirez?
Yes, sir. She's on the PTD program. She's been on since April. The only issue was that she was arrested for a DWI right after she got placed on the program. Other than that arrest, she's complied with everything. She's been on the program for 7 months.
For 7 months?
Right. We were here in a non-compliance hearing and a violation hearing a couple months ago. So this was a status on how she's doing.
And we kind of extended it, right?
Right, Judge.
All right. State, Mr. Pulveda?
Good morning, Judge.
Morning.
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting that the defendant be kept on PTD, Judge, on this case.
Okay, let me ask Ms. Ramirez if she remembers what we decided back then. Do you remember, Ms. Ramirez?
Judge, I think she was just gonna stay on the program, see what was gonna happen with the DWI. And at this point, it was, I think her arraignment's not for another couple months. But she was not gonna be removed. She was just gonna remain on the program until the DWI came on.
Okay, so she hasn't been arraigned yet? She already got arraigned and everything?
It's
Okay.
in
No,
camera.
the DWI is in another county.
Oh, the WI is not in this county. Oh, I understand
Correct.
now. I understand. Okay, so what is it here, Ms. Ramirez? You recommend we extend it or keep her on the program and then come back with another hearing?
Yes, Judge, or I would defer to the state with that. She's done everything. She's done the drug patch, the drug class, the fees.
Your Honor, it is the recommendation of the state judge that we keep her on the program until we figure out what the DWI judge.
Okay. Did you want to add something else, Ms. Ramirez? You said the drug patch, or what is it?
The drug class, the community service hours and fees, she's done with everything. She's just reporting over the phone, Judge.
Okay. I'll tell you what, let's leave it alone. Let's just extend it further. And we can set
Thank
it
you.
for another status hearing down the line.
Originally, it was set for December 7th,
Uh-huh.
so we can leave it for
Leave
December
it
7th.
December 7th? Let's do December 7th, guys. December 7th, Mr. Garcia,
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
9 a.m.
9 a.m. We're trying to work with your client here. You just need to do her
Appreciate
part.
it. Yes,
And,
sir. And she
You're
has.
still in the program, Ms. Cavazos. We're gonna set it for December 7th, 9 o'clock for a status hearing. So just continue reporting and stay clean, okay, ma'am? All
Yes,
right. All right. Good luck with that. Okay, we'll see you again December 7th. All right, you're excused, and so are you, Mr. Garcia.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
We can do number 11, Mr. Daniel Longoria and his client are in person.
Number 11, that'll be Mr. Longoria. He's in person.
And it's a
Staff?
recall of an ISA.
Oh, okay. Number 11, we have CR 2207-539D, Abilio Moreno, and I believe he's got an eyesight, right?
Yes, Your Honor. Judge, he, when he got arrested, he got a PR bond by the magistrate. And so when his case, he hired me back then. And when his case came up, I believe the court appointed an attorney and there was no contact information. And my client is a over the road driver. So he was gone for 5 weeks. When he came back Monday, he was going through all his mail. That's when he called me and said, hey, I've got this letter. And so I contacted the court to bring him in and file my motion to substitute to give notice to the court I'd been his attorney. It is a Class A judge. I did discuss with him that under the statute, you know, he has to have a monitoring device. Your probation officer emailed me the vendors,
Information.
which I've provided to him. And so I'm asking that the court maybe reset it, allow him to go get the machine.
Okay.
And then
Okay, Mr. Longoria, is that Mr. Moreno there next to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then we'll recall the night side. That's number one. Number two, we'll set it for December 7th. What time again?
10 a.m.
10 a.m. For the status hearing on the compliance, okay?
yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so hopefully by then, Mr. Moreno will have the interlock device or the mobile. So right now, recall the night side on CR 2207-539D, Bilio Moreno, and reset for status hearing December 7th, 10 a.m. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. You both may be excused. Have a good day.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Mr. Alan Ortega is in person, defendant number 18,
Number 18, okay.
and he has proof of the interlock.
All right, number 18, CR 22-08490D, Alan Ortega.
Judge, he's outside. You want me to bring him in?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Miss Jessica, I understand we're here for the proof of the interlock.
Yes, Judge, I haven't gotten anything, so I just need to know who the vendor is.
Okay.
What's your receipt? So right over there, okay, right there.
All right, we have here CR 22-08490D, Alan Ortega. And Mr. Ortega, good morning. Do you happen to have the interlock device already, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And who's the vendor?
Right
What
guard.
com-
Judge, the vendor is Road Guard Interlock, and he installed it on November the 8th, 2022.
Road Guard, okay. Remember. All right.
Judge, there has to be another name for that. Is it Lifesaver, Smart Start? Intoxilock?
Is there another name there, Hector? Rick, that you can see there?
Drager also?
Drager.
Drager.
Okay. All right. All right. Then we have a new date for Mr. Ortega. It'll be May 24th, 2 p.m. May 24th, 2023, 2 p.m. Go ahead and give that date to your attorney. And in the meantime, Mr. Ortega, please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. And give that date to your attorney. And if you guys work something out with the state, we can bump up the case, okay?
Judge, he also has number 17. That's the DWI.
He also has number 17.
Yeah, 17 is the DWI.
All right. Both cases are going to be both cases CR 22-08489D and 490D are reset for May 24th, 2 p.m. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, your excuse. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Mr. Whitaker, number 1, he's in person.
Okay. And bailiff. Also announce bailiff, you have Mr. Whitaker there?
Yes, Mr. Whitaker's ready with his client.
All right, and that'll be cost number CR 1914
Good morning, Judge.
937D, Rogelio Marquez Jr. Good morning, sir.
Your Honor, this is an old case. In fact, it's so old that my client served an entire federal sentence and a state sentence, a state felony sentence in the time period between when this case was supposed to be resolved.
Okay, and have you talked to the state about working it out?
No, not yet.
Okay.
I suppose Ms. Sepulveda is going to probably contact me about this one and see how she wants to take this one on.
Okay, and first of all, does your client have an eyesight?
Yes, and that's the issue, Judge.
Okay.
He missed court because he was literally in the Beaumont Detention Center for the feds.
Okay, we're gonna recall the NISI. We're gonna recall the NISI on CR 19-14-937D, State versus Rogelio Marquez Jr. And we're gonna give you a date of December 7th, 2022, 10 a.m., sir.
Yes, sir.
December 7th, 10 a.m., okay?
If I'm not in trial, I shall be here, Judge.
All right, very well. Good luck with the state there, okay? You and your client may be excused. Have a great day.
Yeah, they did. They just, okay. And that included the FTA warrant, I assume, Judge. He's asking me that question. That's lifted.
Well, the NISI is
Our warrant.
our warrant. I don't know if there's any other ones out there. Only my
Okay.
warrant, yeah.
Okay, and I guess Ms. Sepulveda will send me an email soon.
That's correct.
Thank you.
All right,
Judge.
Ms. Pulveda. Good luck, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. Who do you have next?
Okay, and so.
All right, let's go back to the waiting room. Santos Maldonado. Yes. He's got Cuellar.
Maybe she's in his office.
All right, let's bring in.
Yeah.
All right. All right, Mr. Maldonado is connecting. In the meantime, we're going to have an announcement. Is Sally Palacios there?
No.
We're just gonna.
No, he needs to show what the client,
All right.
she needs to know.
I think we can just amend the judgment.
Judge,
Yes.
on that case, so she pled to the deferred on
Yeah, just
the
need to
record,
know.
Judge, and that's the, I did file the deferred judgment on that one, Judge. And it's gonna stay as deferred for the 2 years.
So no action?
No action? We'll keep no action.
That is correct, Judge.
Okay, and for the record, that is CR 20-08177D. And that's it. That's the case. No
Yes,
action.
Judge. Yes, Judge.
There was a companion case, CR 20-08177D. What happened to that one?
Judge, that's the same case. I believe
Same-
it was
okay.
set, it was set for to recall the plea or to set aside the plea, but we figured out administratively, Judge, and her plea on the record, it's going to stay as the deferred. And
Yes, it is.
I did file that paperwork to reflect the plea on the record.
We need Mr. Maldonado. Where's Mr. Maldonado?
Yeah, where's Mr. Maldonado?
Mr. Palacios?
He's connecting right now. Or he's always disconnecting. There he is. They connected already. They need to unmute.
Where's Mr. Maldonado?
He's at the courthouse.
All right.
Rick,
Judge,
has he
Rick-
shown up?
yes, sir, Judge, I just received a text from Santos Maldonado's office that he's in the 389th multiple court CC6 and the 430th.
All right, okay. And in,
I put it back. We'll wait until.
okay. All right, we're gonna,
What is Alvarez have? Alvarez.
all right, let's look for real evidence. And he got hurt with somebody.
Okay, Carlos Garza, yeah. Carlos Garza has, Jasmine. That's number 14, that's a compliance.
Number 14. All right, Mr. Carlos Garza is connecting. And that'll be Jasmine Gonzalez, client CR 22-07998D. Mr. Garza, good morning, sir.
She needs to unmute. Jasmine, you need to unmute and you need video.
That's right. We need video from Ms. Gonzalez. And she needs to unmute. All right, is that her right there? All right, Ms. Gonzalez, can you hear me? You need to unmute.
Mr. Garza, there we go.
And Mr. Garza is right over there. All right, folks, good morning. We're here on CR 22-07998D, Jasmine Eileen Gonzalez, and we're set for a compliance hearing, right, Mr. Garza?
Yes, sir.
All right. Ms. Gonzalez, did you get the interlock device?
Yes.
All right, and who's the vendor or what company did you get it from?
I have the receipt right here. I can go
Okay.
ahead and look at it. It was from Petrenko Automotive. That's where I picked it up. And then it was from Instalocks or
Okay.
Intralock.
And Toxalock?
Intaxalock. Okay, there we go. All right.
And we
Intaxalock.
have a receipt for that, Your Honor. I thought, I don't know if Ms. Gonzalez has sent it into
Okay.
Albert or not.
Okay, very well. Let's give you a pretrial date now, Mr. Garza.
Very good.
May 24th, 2 p.m. May 24th, 2023, 2 p.m.
Okay,
However,
okay,
yeah,
hold on. She has another,
Okay.
she has another case that is already set for March 29th.
okay,
So we'll just leave it for March
okay,
29th.
it'll be, I'm sorry, scratch that. March
Okay.
29th, March 29th, what time?
At 2 p.m.
2 p.m. March 29th, 2 p.m. Because that's a companion case, I understand.
Very good.
Okay. In the meantime, Ms. Gonzalez, please note alcohol consumption while the case is pending. Okay, ma'am?
Mhm.
All right. And Mr. Garza, if you work something out and you want the court to hear you earlier, let us know. Okay.
Very good, Your Honor. We'll get in touch with the court.
All right. You'll have a great day. Stay safe.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Bye-bye. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, number 15, Mr. Daniel Gonzalez and Juan.
Juan Manuel Camargo. Okay. Cause number CR 22-08097D. Juan Manuel Camargo.
I don't see him unless he's with him.
Right. I don't see him in the waiting room unless he is with Mr. Daniel Gonzalez.
Judge, good morning. I spoke to my client a little while ago. He mentioned that he was going to be on, Judge, so he should be on. That's what he told me.
And that is Juan Manuel Camargo?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. As I look in the waiting room, I don't see him yet.
Under that name. unless he's using
Under
the-
that name, unless he's using some kind of a
Someone
someone
else's
else's
computer.
apparatus. But should we just give a little?
Call him and ask him.
Yeah. Can you call him, Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes, Your Honor. 1 minute.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Judge, and this was a case where he already had the device because he has another DWI. So it was more like a status on how he's been doing, and he's been testing now every time he should be testing.
How is he testing? Positive or what?
He's doing all his tests now because before he wasn't doing them.
Oh,
But
he's good.
since his arraignment, he's been testing at all times.
All right. He's doing regular testing like he's supposed to.
Yes, Judge.
Okay. All right. Do you ever give him another date? No, we need to give him a pretrial day, right?
Mhm. But he needs to show.
Right. I need to see Mr. Thank you, Miss Ramirez, for keeping an eye on that. Okay.
And Your Honor, I'm making a call right now to him. Let me see what he tells me, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Or put him on the phone on speakerphone.
Sounds good, Your Honor. Let me see this.
That'll be which one is it? Number 15. Okay. Okay.
Judge, just going straight to voicemail. Actually, hold on. He just called me back.
Okay.
Juan,
Hello. Yes.
are you on Zoom?
Yes, I'm on Zoom.
Okay.
Under what name?
Under
Is
what
your
name?
They said waiting for the host.
But what's your name? Under what name are you logged in?
What device is he using?
Juan's iPhone.
Juan's iPhone.
No.
No.
Should I
No.
try to get?
No, you know what? We already here. We just came in.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay, Juan, that's fine, Juan. Juan, not a problem. We're glad to hear that you're complying with your interlock device. That's great. We're just going to give you another pretrial date, okay? Pretrial date, Mr. Gonzalez. What's it?
Okay.
May? May 20. Yes, ma'am.
He does have 3 other misdemeanors pending, and they're all set for August the 30th, 2023 at 9
Yeah, but
a.m.
Let's put him because we need to. keep
Okay.
it shorter.
We're going to put them all together. Okay, Mr. Gonzalez, they're all going to be for May 24th. May
May 20
24th at 2 p.m. We're going to get the other ones from August and bring them back to May 24th, okay?
Sounds good, Your Honor.
If you happen to work something out with the state, please let us know. We'll bump it up, okay, sir? Okay.
Sounds good, Your Honor.
If he does not comply, to let us know and we will.
That's right. Miss Jessica, you keep an eye on him, and if he doesn't comply, please let us know, okay?
Yes, Judge, I will.
All right. You all, both you and your client may be excused, and we'll set everything for May 24th, 2 p.m., okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. I do have a plea, but of course at 11, I'll be back on.
Okay, we'll see you at 11.
Thank you. Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Done. All right.
Jaime Hernandez.
Okay. You got Mr. Jaime Hernandez.
Unless
Good
he's here
morning,
for
Your Honor.
somebody.
Yes, sir, Mr. Hernandez. Good morning. Who are you here for, sir?
Your Honor, Mr. Juan Alvarez.
Okay,
That
that'll
would
be Leonel Dominguez.
That is correct, Your Honor. Number 11 on your docket.
All right, we're gonna bring him in right now. He's at number. I have
Compliance.
number 7, right?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Ramirez.
No, he needs to, we need to know if he has the device.
Oh, yeah. Okay, he's connecting. There he is. He needs to unmute. All right, there he is. Now, can you hear me, Mr. Dominguez?
Yes, Judge.
All right, good morning, sir.
Good
We're
morning.
here on your case, CR 22-06-265D, Leonel Dominguez. And we're here in the compliance status hearing. Did you ever get the device for your vehicle?
I got the mobile device, but I just need to connect it, which I get paid today after 12. So I will connect
Okay.
it after 12.
But you got the mobile device, right?
Yes, sir.
To reset it for next week,
Okay, we're gonna reset your matter for next
or
week.
Monday,
What is it?
Monday at 2:30,
Give me a date.
the 14th.
11/14, 2:30 p.m.
Okay,
Okay,
that's fine.
Mr. Dominguez, go ahead and connect that today, like you said. But we're gonna hear you again on November the 14th, Monday, 2:30 p.m. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, so good luck with that. And just remember, please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, we'll see you on Monday, 2:30 p.m.
All right, thank you. Thank you, Judge.
Yes, sir. Okay, Mr. Hernandez, have a great day, sir. Your excuse.
Thank you, Judge. Maybe. Thank you, Judge.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mr. Ortegon, number 9,
Number 9.
also compliance here.
Number 9. Jacob Cardenas.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Jacob. Wait there. We're gonna bring in Jacob Cardenas. It's a compliance hearing, right, Mr. Ortegon?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Okay.
I did speak to Mr. Cardenas, I believe. Yeah, he contacted me this morning, Judge. I do believe that he was at a location getting a device, or getting his device calibrated. I mean, he did contact me that he was with them this morning, Your Honor. I'm not quite sure what the incompliance is at this moment.
All right, Mr. Cardenas, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Are you getting your device already?
Yes, sir. I've got the device. I'm having trouble with my handset. So right now I'm purchasing a new handset so that they can reinstall software.
Okay, it'll be for what now? For Monday? Okay, we'll reset you. We're gonna reset your case, Mr. Cardenas, for Monday at 2:30 p.m. Monday, 2:30 p.m. for status. Hopefully everything goes fine, so we can put you back on the wagon. Okay, sir?
All right. My
2:30
apologies,
p.m.
John.
Yeah, 2:30 p.m. Status hearing. So
Yes, sir.
make sure that you comply, and make sure, please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, Monday, 2:30. Thank you, Mr. Ortegon.
Your Honor, may I be excused, Judge?
You're excused. Thank you so much. All right. You wanna-
Number 10, Veronica Monsivais.
All right. Also compliance. All right, Miss Monsivais. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am. Your client is Morris Jackson, right?
Yes, Cody Jackson, CR 22-07525-D, Your Honor.
Correct. And Mr. Jackson, is he in the courtroom or bailiff?
He should on Zoom.
Morris Jackson.
Let me call out the name, Judge.
Okay.
He's not in the waiting room, Veronica.
Right, he's not in the waiting room.
Okay, I did send him a message
Oh,
yesterday.
now he is. Now he is. He just got in. All right.
Judge, I have Morris Cody Jackson was called 3 times and there was no response.
All right. Thank you, bailiff. He just checked in the waiting room.
He needs to.
Let's see now. He needs to unmute. All right. And the purpose for the hearing was compliance. Let me see if there's Mr. Jackson right there. He needs to unmute. He just needs to unmute.
Your Honor,
There we
you're
go. All right, we got it. We got it there. CR
You're-
22-07-525D, Morris Jackson. Mr. Jackson, did you get the device?
No, I haven't got the device yet.
And the purpose, why not?
Because I have no personal vehicle and I don't know where to get it from.
All right. You were supposed to be getting an order from the court that tells you the list of the vendors.
Your
I
Honor.
haven't got one.
Okay.
And I did receive one from the probation officer, Your Honor. I did send Mr. Jackson a message through his cell number if he could forward an email, and I have not received an email address, Your Honor.
All right. Do you have an email address, Mr. Jackson?
Yes, I do.
What is it?
It mojack1982@gmail.com.
Mojack1992?
82.
Oh, 82. I'm sorry.
Mr. Jackson, is that MO? And then
Yes.
Jack, JACK, 1982@gmail.com?
Yes.
Okay, so Ms. Monseva, you have the order, right?
I do have the order, Your Honor, and if I can get maybe like a 2-3 day reset so that Mr. Jackson can have enough time to get the handheld.
Right. It'll be Monday, right? You want to do Monday? I'm sorry. November 17th, 10 a.m. November 17th, 10 a.m. What day is the week? Is that?
That's on a
Thursday?
Thursday, Your Honor,
Okay.
and if I participate via Zoom, as my daughter will be having her tonsils removed that morning here in Houston.
Okay. Well, as long as just Mr. Jackson appears, that'll do.
It needs to show proof.
Yeah, with the proof. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Mr.
So good. So good luck with that, Mr. Jackson. Try to get it as soon as possible. We'll see you that. We'll see you back on November 17th, 10 a.m. and with the proof. And please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. Okay, sir.
Okay.
All right. We'll see you November 17th.
There's no way I can get it dropped down to PI.
I'm sorry.
Not at the
Because I was
moment.
trying to get my charges dropped down to PI because I wasn't driving.
Okay. No, you talk to your attorney about that. Okay.
Okay.
And then she'll talk to the state regarding that. All right. Thank you.
All right. Bye.
Thank you.
Mr. Maldonado, I think he's in the courtroom and his client, number
It's
6.
Cuellar, and what else? I saw another one.
The compliance is on number 6.
I'm sorry. Okay, number six. Mr. Maldonado.
Present judge for Ms. Cuellar. My client is on Zoom at the office right now.
Yes, sir. Your client is CR 21-12-996D, Yvette Cuellar.
Correct, Judge.
All right, Ms. Cuellar, you need to unmute. You need to unmute so we can hear you. I know you start panicking. There you go. Okay. Ms. Cuellar, did you get the Interlock? Did you get the Interlock device?
Yes, I did. I got it yesterday, sir.
Okay. Under what name?
Yvette Cuellar?
No. The device. What company name?
I don't remember the name. I'm gonna bring the paper right now because they didn't tell me to bring it. So I'm gonna go get it right now to the house and bring it over here to the office so that you guys can know where I got it.
Okay. Did you get the device or the mobile device or the Interlock device for the vehicle?
No, it's the little one, the portable one.
The portable one?
Not.
Oh. Okay.
It's a small one like this that I have to be blowing 3 times a day.
All right. But you got it already.
Yeah, I got it yesterday.
Who did you speak with, Ms. Cuellar, when you got it? Like, was
It's a place in Alamo, Madre.
in Alamo?
Yeah.
RGB monitoring, Cameron, Carlos. I don't have an Alamo. judge.
No, it was what's her name?
Okay. You don't have an email of the place? What in your phone? Do you have anything? Email, copy of receipt or something?
No, pues
Or
I'm
the
gonna
phone-
go get the receipt right now.
Or the phone
I'm gonna go
number?
get-
The phone number of the place?
Device. What was her name? I totally forgot
Can
her
somebody
name.
take a picture of the receipt at home and send it to her?
Can somebody take a picture of the receipt at your home and send it back to you?
All right, let me call my mother-in-law see
Okay.
if she can.
Okay, hold on. And in meantime, Mr. Okay. Who else you gonna bring? Anybody? Okay. Well, the good news is that you have it. We just need the proof. You know, you have it already. So
Yeah. Well, I have it in my truck, the little device.
okay. Is there a name in there on the device? On the
I
device?
have it in the truck.
Oh, outside in the parking lot?
Yes, yes.
Oh, yeah, go get it. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, go get it. We're getting there little by little. We're getting close to the evidence. Oh man.
One of those days, Judge.
I know, man. One of those days after a heavy day of elections. Were you in other courts, Mr. Maldonado? The 389th, or what was it?
I was in the 389th. I finished up already. I need to go to the 430th now.
Now you gotta go to 430. That's what I heard. I heard you got another one to go to. Well, can you leave? You can leave, Mr. Maldonado. I think we can take care of it with your client. Yeah, you can leave.
Okay, I appreciate. Is the
Yes,
court
sir.
going to reset it for another date, Judge? Or schedule it?
Yeah, we're gonna give the date to your client, and yeah, I guess you get it from her.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll give it to her. And
All right, I appreciate that.
Or you know what? That's your office, right? Where she is?
Yeah, she's at my office right now.
All right. I'll tell her, we'll give her the date and we'll tell her to give it to somebody there in your office.
I appreciate that. Thank you, Judge.
All right. You take care. Bye.
Yes, bye. Thank you.
What else? All right. Here comes Miss.
But no, it doesn't say
Where?
anything there. It's this one.
Okay. You recognize him, Miss Ramirez?
Several vendors use that, Judge. Was it Alma? We don't have anywhere in Alamo. Was it in San Juan
Maybe some.
Ay, a lo mejor maybe it is San Juan.
or Edinburgh? But that is a device, Judge, and it could belong to maybe 4 of the vendors. We have
Okay.
about 10, but it is a device.
But that is a device. Okay.
Yes.
You want to do a pre-call data? Was it right here? Give it to me.
I'll go
All right.
get there.
Okay, Miss Cuellar, here's your new date. We're gonna give you a pre-trial date, okay? Pre-trial date, and give it to the people there in the office, okay? May 24th, 2 p.m. May 24th, 2 p.m. Give it to somebody there that in the office.
May 4.
No, May 24th, 2 p.m.
Yeah. May 24, 2 p.m.
2 p.m. Yeah, give it to somebody there in your office, okay?
All right.
All right. I mean, in the meantime, Ms. Cuellar, please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, ma'am?
All right.
All right. You take care, okay? We'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Likewise. Thank you.
Ted Lopez is in there. He's got number 19
Mr. Ted Lopez?
in person.
Oh, yeah, Mr. Ted Lopez. Good morning.
Hi, Judge.
Are you still a Rangers fan?
Yes.
Even after the okay, never mind.
I tried to cheer for the
I
Avs,
know.
but I couldn't.
I know it's hard to. I know. What number is it?
Number 19.
Number 19. Number 19. That'll be oh my God, Bradford Jets.
Yes, Your Honor.
Jetsada Bradford, right? Did I get it right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now we're here for a compliance. That's him next to you, right?
That's correct, Judge.
We're here in a compliance hearing. Do you know if he got the unlock device?
He has not, Judge. He's requesting, or we're requesting on his behalf, 2 weeks, Your Honor. He's waiting for a paycheck. And then he has already contacted several companies to see which is the most affordable.
Okay.
So we're just asking for that, Your Honor.
All right. So he's already got a list. He just needs to
Yes.
go. Okay. He's got a list.
November 29th.
It'll be November 29th. I'm sorry, 10 a.m. 10 a.m. November 29th, 10 a.m. And in the meantime, Mr. Bradford, no alcohol consumption. Well, the case is pending. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. Bring us some proof on November 29th that you got the unlock device or the mobile. All right.
Yes,
You and your client may be excused. Have a good day.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye-bye. Give me another name.
Ask Rick if anybody else is in the court.
Rick, bailiff.
Judge, yes, sir.
Anybody there in the courtroom?
Mr. Bravo's in for the 11 o'clock docket.
Mr.
Okay.
Bravo, 11
Awesome.
o'clock. All right. All
Yes,
right.
sir.
We're gonna wait till 11 o'clock. Anybody else?
Let's see who this is on the show.
Okay.
Eduardo Rivera.
Okay. You don't see a name by that? Anybody by that name? No? All right, Mr. Eduardo Rivera. He needs to unmute. You need to unmute, sir.
He's looking for.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Good morning. What is your name, sir?
This is for Sergio Cervantes.
Sergio Cervantes. All right. And who's your attorney?
¿Quién está hablando? Tania Ramírez.
Oh, okay. Okay. Give me that number.
Number 13.
Number 13. All right. Let's see here. Sergio Bazan Cervantes also set for compliance, right?
Yes.
All right. And Miss Tanya's in the 430th, I understand. Mr. Cervantes, did you get the device for your vehicle?
Oh, sorry.
Señor Cervantes,
Mande.
la razón de esta audiencia es porque tenías que enseñarle prueba a la corte que ya tienes el aparato en tu vehículo.
Sí, ya lo traigo. Yo le mandé la información a mi abogada.
Okay. ¿Cómo se llama la compañía? Es que tu abogada está ocupada en otra corte.
Aquí traigo el papel.
Okay. Dame el nombre que tiene arriba. ¿Cómo se llama la compañía?
Ok, un momento. Ace Audio Alarm and Tint, West Palm Vista Drive, Mission, Texas.
All right, Jessica.
Yes, Judge, it's valid.
All right. That's pretty good. Thank you, sir. We're going to reset your date. I mean, your case to, what is it, May 24th?
Okay, la razón de esta audiencia es, como te digo, era para enseñarle a la corte que ya tienes el aparato, y como ya tienes el aparato, entonces te vamos a dar una fecha nueva. ¿Tienes algo para anotar?
Yes.
La fecha se va a cambiar para el día 24 de mayo del 2023 a las 2 de la tarde. That's May 24th, 2023 at 2 p.m.
Your pretrial date is May 24th.
Oh, Tanya's right there.
Okay. Oh, there's Miss Tanya. She's in person now.
Good morning. En vivo y a todo color.
Okay, Miss Tanya, we got a new date for your client here. It's pre-trial, May 24th, 2 p.m.
Okay,
May 24th, 2 p.m. He already showed us proof of the interlock device, and so that'll be the pre-trial date. If you and him work something out with the state, we'll bump it up. Okay, let the court
Judge,
know.
we have already submitted the pretrial, the PTD application with the state. So we're just gonna be waiting on reply. That's about
Okay,
it.
and once you hear that, let us know, please, and we'll set you up. And in the meantime, Mr. Cervantes, please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending.
Señor Cervantes, tu abogada le acaba de explicar al juez que ya metieron una aplicación para un PTD, nada más está esperando la respuesta del fiscal. Y ahorita el juez está diciendo que es importante que mientras este caso esté pendiente, no estés tomando. Y es importante que cumplas con las pruebas de esa máquina para que no tengas problemas, ¿ok?
Yes. Okay.
So, ponte en contacto con tu abogada, ella te da a ver qué dice el fiscal. Pero por ahorita la fecha es el 24 de mayo de 2023 a las 2 de la tarde, solamente que lleguen a un acuerdo antes. Entonces tu abogada se comunica con nosotros y te damos una fecha más temprana, ¿ok?
Okay. Thank you.
Ándale,
All right,
suerte.
thank you. You're both been be excused. Nice seeing you again, Tanya. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.
Can you give our office a call? I'm not showing that we have the application on file. I just checked yesterday.
Okay, let me check with my staff because he already signed and brought everything. So they should have already filed it. Let me check with my staff, and if it's not, it will be filed this afternoon.
Thank you so much.
Got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Judge.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.
We have defendant David Munoz, number 12. It's also for complaints, attorney Sergio Sanchez.
Okay, David Munoz. Mr. David Munoz, he's connecting right now. You need to unmute, Mr. Munoz. All right, can you hear me now?
Yes.
All right, your case, Mr. Munoz, is CR 22-077-58D, State versus David Munoz, and we're here in a compliance hearing. Were you able to get the interlock device?
No, sir. I spoke with Jessica Ramirez yesterday. I get paid on Friday the 18th, and I work at Alamo Palms. I work nights from 4 p.m. to 1 a.m. and I get paid bi-weekly. And today's my second week, sir.
Okay, you want to do what?
December 7th.
All right, we're gonna reset your case, Mr. Munoz, to December 7th, 10 a.m. December 7th, 10 a.m. And please bring proof of the intellect device or the mobile. And in the meantime, please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so good luck with that. We see you again December 7th, 10 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, stay safe. Bye-bye.
Okay, defendant Carlos de la Cerda, number 16,
Number 16.
also a compliance hearing.
All right. Number
Attorney
16.
Juan Tijerina, he was on, but he
He snapped out. Okay. Let me hear from Carlos de la Cerda.
Judge, this is one where he already had the device on another DWI and he was not complying. So it was just to make sure that he got back on track. And he has, Judge, he's been in compliance since his arraignment a couple weeks ago.
All right, thanks for that report. So that was the purpose of the hearing, to see if he is compliant, and the report is from probation officer. He is compliant, so that's good news. Can you hear me, Mr. De La Cerda?
Yes, sir. Yes, I can hear you, Judge.
Great. Your cause number, CR 2208-324D, Carlos de la Cerda. The purpose was, of course, to see if you were compliant, and yes, you are. So just keep doing it. And pre-trial date? We're going to give you a pre-trial date, okay, sir?
Yes, Judge.
Pre-trial date, May 24th, 2 p.m. May 24th, 2 p.m. If you and your attorney work something out with the state earlier than that, let the court know. We'll bring you in earlier, okay? But for right now, 8/24, 2 p.m.
Yes, Judge.
Okay? Give that date to your lawyer, okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, you're excused. And remember, please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay?
Yes, Judge.
All right, you take care. We'll see you later. All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, we have the defendant,
Okay,
but everything's gonna stay the same. This is the one on Sunny Palacios, Griselda Aldape.
Okay, bring
So
her
we
in.
don't-
Bring her in. You want to bring her in?
She's coming.
Okay. Oh, yeah, earlier, this is Griselda Aldape.
It's on the Sunny Palacios case.
Right. Can you hear me, Miss Aldape?
No audio.
No audio.
Can Rick call out two names?
Rick. Oh, there's Rick. Miss Aldape. Griselda Aldape, can you hear me? No audio.
Judge, and on number 23, Tijerina's case, Juan Manuel Reina, I just got confirmation about an hour ago that he already got the device with safety check, if he's in the waiting room or.
He's in the
No,
waiting room?
he's not. I was just gonna nice him.
Yeah, we were about to nice eye him because we do not see him in the waiting room. But
But he already complied.
he already complied, so
it'll be reset for the May 24th
it'll be May 24th,
at 2 p.m.
2 p.m. PT pre-trial. That'll be the date for May 24th, 2 p.m. pre-trial. We just gotta let Mr. Tijerina know. Okay? But Aldape, I don't think she's connecting, but the whole purpose for her was to let her know that everything remains the same.
Nothing's gonna be changed.
Nothing will be changed on her judgments.
Somebody in person there.
Okay? Rick, anybody there in person for the 10 o'clock?
Judge, I've already called out the names for defendants and attorneys. There are no other defendants or attorneys outside the courtroom.
For 10 o'clock.
Okay.
For 10 o'clock, yes, sir.
Sigfredo Villarreal.
Rick.
I have for Tanya, just a compliance, I think she
Ready.
Rick.
I hear you, love.
Rick, did you call Sigfredo Villarreal?
Number 8.
Number 8.
Number 8, Judge? Let me call out that name.
Okay.
He's not in the waiting room.
All right. CR 2206-78D, Sigfredo Villarreal is not in the waiting room. We're now checking to see if he's in the courtroom.
Judge, I have see Pedro Villarreal was called 3 times and there was no response.
Thank you, sir. That'll be a nice sign. Anybody else you want to call?
That's it.
I think that's it for right now, state and staff. We'll see you at 11, which is about 15 minutes from now, right?